Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got box 2 of Leather and Lumber as promised. This break will go a little bit faster than the last because, you know, the first box of anything, really want to take my time and check it out. It still probably won't be super quick because basically everything in here is something to look at. Every card, even the base cards, are worthy of stopping for a second to admire them. But I promise to go a little bit quicker this time, so let's just get into it. I guess I should say a few things for people who didn't watch the other break or just starting here. There are 4 autographs, 4 mem cards, and the product is set up like this. So there are 4 mini boxes, and each mini box has 2 hits, contains one of the autos and one of the mem cards, and these cards are absolutely insane. They are really nice. They're all thicker, even the base cards. I'm guessing they're 55 point, probably, maybe 35, but it's 35. Yeah, I think they're, no, what does it go? What's the, it's definitely not the thinnest. I'm guessing they feel 55. That's what they feel like, which is nice. And then some of the hits you're gonna see are way thicker, like these 2 fatties right there in the middle, which are a good at least 130, but I'm guessing pushing 180. I'm going to probably put them in 180 top loaders, which I hope I have. I think I've got one more pack. Alright. This is the base card, one of them, AJ Pollock and DeGrom. Unfortunately, I got DeGrom in the last box. Considering I've only got 2, I would love not to get any dupes, but I just did, so. And Rizzo. A gold proof Austin Meadows. The gold proofs are not numbered, surprisingly. Alright, oh, look at this name. Holy crap. Willie Stargell to 99. Jersey and bat. Wow. I definitely get kind of verklempt when I get a auto or mem card of a player of this caliber. It's pretty amazing just to think about. Wow, cool. Willie Stargell. Laureano. This is a dual jersey autograph. It doesn't say rookie, but he is a rookie, to 75. Up at the top, you may not can tell, but the foil up here, oh, there you can, in that light, looks, it's gold. So it seems to be a gold parallel. Wow, that, good start. Naturals, Mike Trout. Not whole gang, Aaron Judge. Love these. I'm wanting to say that in the 90s when this came out, the wood on that insert was actual wood. It was like shaved, really thin, and they bowed. You had to have it in a top loader or else it would just bow up like a taco. Benchmarks, Aaron Nola. And a Power Alley, Chris Bryant. So we're off to a solid start. Alright, box 2. Man, this is fun. I wish I had a case of this. I'm not even kidding. I would, oh my goodness. I don't even know what I would do with a case of this. Any breaker that's open on this is lucky as hell. Alright. Of course, they don't get to keep all the cards, but they're still lucky to get to see them all, and probably to see some insane hits along the way too. So very, very, very lucky. Alright. Anthony Rendon. Nelson Cruz. Chris Davis. And Andrelton Simmons. Okay, then we have Rivals, Yadier Molina and Chris Bryant, dual jersey, number 1099. Nice and clean. Little swatches, but still pretty cool. So Yachty and Chris Bryant. And our autograph is Sean Reed Foley. Whoa. That is on a leather type material. Yeah, rookie leather signatures to 149. God, I love these autographs on material stuff. That's so sweet. Lumberjacks, David Ortiz. Naturals, DiMaggio. He was definitely a natural. Ken Boyer, Power Alley. And a War, Ken Griffey Jr. Now that's nostalgic to see this type of insert, this 90s type of insert with the arguably the best player of the 90s. With that crazy swing, that just trademark Griffey swing. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Moving on to box 3. Alright, let's see what we got. Got one kind of fatty in there, but not as fat as those ones in the first pack. Alright, we're starting off with Cody Bellinger, Charlie Blackmon, Harrison Bader, and another gold proof of Yadier Molina. Kevin Newman, triple relic, triple jersey, not numbered. And a rookie signatures, Brad Keller. Oh my gosh, I love these. The ball with the stitches. This is numbered out of 149. I would love to have one of these that is of a really good vet player. That would be so nice. I'd love to have one of these with Mike Piazza's signature on it. That would be the ultimate for me. Alright, benchmarks, Chris Sale. Not Whole Gang, Bryce Harper. Nice. Leather and Lumber, Arenado. And Lumberjacks, Rhys Hoskins. Pretty good. Alright, only one more to go. Ah, tearing up a little bit. I don't want it to end. I want the fun to go on for days. I might have to look into the price of this, what these boxes are running right now. And maybe get one more. Maybe. I gotta think about it. These are on the higher end. And I'm trying to save up my pennies right now, so I gotta be careful. Alright, last pack, and nothing too thick in there. Let's see what we've got. Alright, base card, Rhys Hoskins, Matt Chapman, JD Martinez. Almost couldn't get that out. Oh, and my first parallel of one of these cards is Adam Jones to 99. Alright, Jose Peraza, triple relic. This is a parallel version, I guess hollow silver probably, to 99. Oh, nice. Last auto. Jimenez, baby. Oh, yes. One of the leather autographs to 99. That is a good way to go out hit-wise. Look at that. Yikes, that's nice. Alright, last couple of cards, and we will call it a day. Benchmarks, Altuve. Power Alley, Mike Trout. Naturals, Juan Soto. And not whole gang, Suarez. Overall, this was a better box than box one, but I'm gonna tell you, I still feel the same as I did with box one. I feel like this is it's a lot. I can't even get it out. It's really nice. Again, it's on the higher of the price point, but I didn't get any redemptions. I didn't get any stupid ASS points. I didn't, you know, there was nothing to not like. You're going to probably get a lot of rookie autographs. That's what they do. It's easier to get those players to sign. It's cheaper to get them to sign. So that's just part of the game. But if you've been collecting for a while, especially if you collected throughout the 90s, if you like inserts and you love die cuts and lots of color number, it's just really good. I mean, I don't know what to say. I already praised Panini for the Prizm Baseball, and I'm giving them props again. I hate to do it because they make me madder than hell sometimes, but I mean, when credit's due, it's just due. It's a nice product. So well, that's it. Thank you so much for hanging around. I'm keeping this video, oh yeah, we're like 5 minutes shy of the last one, so I won't drag it out. I'll just say love you guys, take care. I don't really know what's coming next. There's a little bit of a gap before the next product drops, but I'll update you guys with the next break. Anyways, take care. Bye.